this episode, you'll learn about delivering your edit to the mix. Oh, the pressure. Taking what you learned right here and putting it into practice, and taking your perfect tracklay to your new bestie, the sound mixer. So first things first, make an effort to deliver something that's presentable. It's not nice to clean somebody else's mess up. And over the past 25 years, I've seen some truly awful tracklays, even from the seasoned professionals. Check your tracklay. Confirm that you have everything covered. Have you used dodgy audio? Have you laid in your wild tracks? And is everything on the appropriate tracks? Is all your music rights cleared? And do you have a full resolution file and not a converted MP3 placeholder on your timeline? You need to checkerboard everything. I've touched on this before. One file on one track and then the next file on the next track below, and then the next file on the track above, etc, etc, etc. Keep everything in its own group of tracks, the GVs on the GVs, the music on the music. So you should have something like first series of tracks should be dialogue, second series should be ADR or additional dialogue, third series should be GVs, fourth series should be Foley, fifth series should be sound effects, and the sixth series of tracks should be the music tracks. Make the call. It's good to talk. The mixer will answer all your questions. What formats can they handle for video and audio? Tell them what platform you're editing on. Can it output the required formats for the mixer correctly? WAVs of each track are no use to anyone. They'll need either an embedded AAF or OMF from your editing package with 5-second handles. The default setting is never 5 seconds, so you'll have to put that in manually. Make sure that the timeline is as tidy as possible and only include the media required. Ensure that the file type you select is embedded, as this will force all the media into one file for extraction later when the AAF is processed. And as long as the picture is locked, the sound mixer does not need a high-res file. 720 is fine as a reference. There's an onus on you to deliver a presentable tracklay. Sloppy work causes unnecessary work down the line, and the mixer is there to mix and he only has a limited time to do it. They do not need to spend their day cleaning up other people's work, which is often sadly the case. I'm Keith Alexander and you've been watching Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama TV for more great videos and tell us what you think. You can like, comment or share this video, and please come by the Adorama Learning Centre for more great tips and advice.